Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Inserting an email signature is a convenient way for recipients to recognize you and easily reach out with your name, contact information, or any other details you include. In this video, I will guide you through the steps of adding a signature in Gmail. Let's go. To get started, head over to mail.google.com and log into your account if you haven't already. In the top right corner, click the gear icon and select See All Settings. Under the General tab, scroll down to find the Signature section. Click Create New and save a name for your new signature block. The next step is to draft your signature. Include any details you want recipients to see, like your name, phone number, address, or website links. Feel free to personalize your signature using the style options provided. If you have a digital signature image in PNG format that you also want to include, place your cursor where you want it. Click the image button and upload the file. Once uploaded, click the photo and adjust the size to fit your signature block. In case you need multiple signatures for various purposes, click Create New again and follow the same steps earlier to add more. Next, you can select a default signature that will automatically appear in new emails, replies, or forwards, saving you the time of manually inserting it. After everything is set up, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. Now, your signature should appear whenever you compose a new email. To switch signatures, click Insert Signature below the email body and choose the one you prefer from the list. Keep in mind that you cannot include multiple signatures in a single message. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.